Pallavi is asking, what is the right time to start exercising? I'm 22 and 11 weeks pregnant. What steps to be followed to have a vaginal birth? Please mention some tips to prevent stretch marks. Pallavi, yoga is very safe. Yoga during pregnancy helps you a lot. But I will also want to say that if yoga is still not a part of your life, that means you are not into the habit of doing yoga even before your pregnancy, then I think you should hold on for some time and try practicing yoga at least in the second trimester, after the second trimester. But if you have the habit of practicing yoga, I think yoga is absolutely safe. But remember to practice yoga in front or with the help of a certified yoga trainer. The second thing is, for happy and a peaceful delivery is the physical and the mental preparation. These two are very important. What is the physical preparation? Do a lot of household work. Because nowadays what we feel is, if we go for a doctor's checkup, the doctor immediately will say take bed rest. I think that's not going to help you. In case there are any medical conditions of your body or something, then fine. But according to me, doing the normal household work is actually going to take care about the kind of pregnancy you have. Try to walk a lot, your breathing exercises, the yoga, which I have mentioned, and see if you can sit on the floor as much as possible. Sitting on the floor, what happens is the pelvic floor muscles are strengthened, and that is what you want for your delivery, for the normal delivery. So if you can take care of all these, the physical part, I think that is going to be very helpful. And about the mental preparation is, you need to have a positive attitude. You need to be confident enough. What I generally tell people is, when you prepare your birthing bag just before delivery, you prepare your birthing bag and put everything, whatever will be required in the bag. What I suggest people is, yes, you have to put everything, but along with that, put a lot of confidence, because that is very important for your pregnancy. If you are mentally confident, if you are mentally positive, then you're sure to have a very normal, safe delivery. So that is very important. The positive attitude that you're going to have, the confidence that you are going to build in yourself, that is very important. And the foremost and the main thing is the support from your family. That is very important, because everybody understands that pregnancy is a time where there's a roller coaster of emotions, and the kind of support you get from your family, nothing like it. Neetu is asking, I'm 7 weeks pregnant. I'm tensed whether I have got my baby's heartbeat. I have no pregnancy symptoms except stomach pain, which come and go. Is it a healthy pregnancy? Don't worry, Neetu. Baby's heart forms in the 3rd week. You will surely be able to listen to the heartbeat. Please don't worry about it. And what are the symptoms for pregnancy? Which are formed, I mean, during the first trimester, we generally get to see, pregnant women get to have this nausea, or, they feel very drowsy. Sometimes they have mild fever also, or they feel very restless, and discomfort sometimes in the heart region, and they don't like the smell or fragrance. So these are the common symptoms. That doesn't mean that every pregnant woman should have these symptoms. One or two of these you might have, but there are cases where they don't have any of these symptoms. So it's absolutely fine, and it's a healthy pregnancy. Don't worry about it. I just want to know, are there any to-be fathers in this webinar? If yes, can you please say yes in the chat? participants, I would again like to tell you that for more information on pregnancy, about planning, about delivery, about everything related to pregnancy, please look at our YouTube channel for more information. And also we have our blogs where you can read and understand so many things about pregnancy. Jayapriya is asking whether underweight like 32 kgs is problem for baby. Jayapriya, mother's weight has a direct influence on baby's weight. I'm sure you would agree that 32 kgs is way too low. So in case you're already pregnant, please take care about your health. Okay, see to it that you put on a little weight, because mother with underweight women or mother with low weight are sure to give birth to small babies or tiny babies. So please work on that aspect and then take care of your health. Rohini is saying, I'm 3 months pregnant. At 10th week, I caught cold and cough, due to which my stomach and abdomen was paining. Doctor gave me Augmentin 625 tablet and some other tablet. Now cold is gone, but cough is still there. Does cough and cold affect fetus or cause silent abortion? Rohini, don't worry. Cold and cough in pregnancy is not going to affect your fetus. But at the same time, I would like to tell you that as far as possible, stay away from antibiotics. Please don't have these chemicals go inside, because that is going to affect your fetus as well. For these simple things like cold and cough, I think, why don't you try some natural remedies? Taking steam is going to definitely help you to reduce your cold. And if you can, grate some ginger and boil it in water, add a pinch of turmeric and pepper, and make it as a tea, and sip that tea, so that you will find your cough will definitely reduce. So try these home remedies, that gharelu nuskas that you say. Try these, the natural remedies, and avoid taking antibiotics as much as possible. I think that should be fine. And don't worry, it's not going to affect your baby inside. Sandeep Kaur wants to know, pain in back and right side of lower part in 7 months. Is it normal? Please try to understand. When you are carrying your baby inside your womb, and as the time progresses in pregnancy, first trimester goes to second and the third, the baby inside grows. It increases in size. And what happens when the baby increases in size? It shows that effect in your spine and your back. Of course, right? And that's the reason where you have this, back pain, and the spine, the lower back, and your legs will pain. That's because the size inside is increasing, and that has a direct impact on that. So how can you relieve that back pain? Is doing few yoga asanas, again, with the help of a certified yoga trainer, that will relieve that back pain of yours.